friends, this is Bella from Sunwood. Today I'm going to introduce temperature, humidity and salt spray combined test chamber. Based on normal cyclic corrosion test, this one at temperature and humidity control. Test specimens undergoing corrosion test on specific temperature and humidity condition. Mainly used for testing parts, electronic components, metallic materials, simulation of acidic materials, alkaline materials, observation, sample corrosion resistance performance. According to test requirements, size of test specimens and the installation site, we are capable of providing several solutions to meet customers' need. The chamber behind me is 12 cubic walk-in cyclic corrosion test chamber with temperature and humidity control. The chamber with temperature range room temperature to 60 degrees, with humidity range 20% to 97%. Temperature fluctuation is plus minus 1 degree per million. Humidity fluctuation is plus minus 3%. Temperature uniformity is less than 2 degrees per million. From 50 to 40 degrees, the ramp rate is 1 degree per million. The concentration of salt solution is up to the test requirement.
The inner chamber material is made of SUS316 stainless steel, fully welded. Its sealing is very well and is not easy to craft. Bottom of the chamber equipped with drain hole to drain out the water during the test. The external chamber materials is made of corrosion resistant SUS304 stainless steel. The door equipped with rubber strippers for excellent sealing performance to guarantee the salt may not skip out. Salt spray test require that the salt drip cannot fall on the test sample. The angle shall kept between 110 degrees to 120 degrees to ensure that the drip flow along the wall. The chamber equipped with double swing doors. The window is made of 4 layers of vacuum toughened glass and exchange explosion proof film. The window size can be customized, which provides easy to accelerate the test procedure. In addition, in order to prevent gas forcing, we set up a heating well with safety voltage 24 volts. This chamber has 2 cable ports with diameter 100 mm. The location, qualities, and size of the cable ports is optional. This is the exhaust system of this chamber. The salt spray will come out from this hole. If you need to deal with the salt spray which is out from this chamber, you can use the air purification tower. And the drainage of this chamber is in the back of the chamber. It's manually operated. This chamber has an air supply system. We didn't install the air supply system inside the chamber, so we need an air compressor, and this is the engine of the compressed air. For safety consideration, on the back side equipped a pressure release port. The salt solution is in the special tank which is installed on the side. This chamber has 6 spray nozzles. The quantity and the location is up to the whole chamber design. We control the spray by controlling the air compressor. When this solenoid valve turns on, compressor air will go through this spray nozzle. Then the solution becomes filled. When this solenoid valve turns down, will cut off the air, then the spray will stop too. The control cabinet is separate from test area. The control cabinet includes water solenoid valve, spare electromagnetic valve, dismister electromagnetic valve, distribution board, cooling fans, over temperature protector, air saturated pressure barrel, spray regulating valve, and bright water supply pump. The chamber equipped with buzzer to notify the user about any failure of the chamber. 3 colors lights indicate chamber's running condition. This chamber uses Samwood self-designed and developed controller with features as below. 7-inch touch screen PLC controller. With display resolution, temperature is 0.01 degree. Time is 10 seconds. Operation mode, you can choose phasing or programming. Can set program 120 groups. Each group has 99 segments and 999 circles at total. The controller has 3 kinds of communication ports: RS-232, RS-485, and Ethernet. You can choose one of the to connect your PC and the controller so that you can control the chamber on your PC. Controller also capable of recording 6 months test data and long histories. You can receive the test type after you save the test program. The chamber can running the program automatically. PID self-turning function. The controller will know the user chamber failure reasons and solutions, and or shut off or reboot the chamber automatically. You can see that our circuit system is very neat and beautiful. Our circuit system wearing according to international standards. The layout and color of the wires are complied with the international standards and all equipped with line numbers. All parts come from international famous brands such as Schneider from Germany, Carrot from Switzerland, Mitsubishi from Japan, Rainbow from South Korea.
As the test completes, open the door after the mist remain in the chamber gun. In case of any mist flow out and corroding the equipment in your lab. If you have any question or need further information regarding this chamber, feel free to contact us. Thank you.